Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to create landing page for CPAGrip. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for any CPAGrip website that you want, but personally I am using this cpagrip.com website. Okay, so now just go ahead and sign in your account if you have one. But if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one by clicking the register now button. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just go ahead and find any offers that you want. So let me just go ahead and go with this one. So here's it. So now to create your landing page, you can just go ahead and use the Google Sites. So open a new tab and search for Google site. Okay, so now what you need to do is to click on the first link right here. So if search for any landing page for CPAGrip for a guide, okay, or idea on how I will do my CPAGrip landing page. Okay, for example this one, or landing page samples. Okay, so once you're here on Google Sites, just go ahead and click on this blank icon right here. Or if you want to use any template, you can just go ahead and use that. Okay? So here there are themes right here, pages and inserts. Okay? So let me just go ahead and choose a theme. Simple, simple, or diploma right there. So I like diplomat. Okay, so you can custom a theme right here or download or upload a theme. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and start editing our land page. Okay, so by the way, this is just an example. Okay, so for the header, I want to copy this, claim your Dove bundle now, but I want it in capital letters. So claim your Dove bundle now, like that. You can adjust it however you want. Okay, you can also highlight it like that, italic, text color. So if you want to change the text color, as you can see, it is now color orange. Okay, but I want the no. Let me just go ahead and go back with color white. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and edit it however you want. So now the enter site name right here. If you want to add a logo, you can add one. So to add a logo, you can just go ahead and click on this add logo button and click on the upload. Okay, so for example, this is your logo. So as you can see, there's your logo. So you can add a text right here, delete it by clicking this delete button right here. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and add any text that you want to add on your landing page, and also you can add a button. Okay, so for example, claim click here. Okay, so let me just go ahead and click on the click here button right here. Create a click button that names click here. For the link, I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this link. Okay, so paste it right here and click on insert. So here's the click here button. So you can now adjust it however you want. And once they click on this button, they will redirect in this link. Okay. So now you can just go ahead and add some forms if you want to, document, map, calendar, placeholder, social links, pacer, a lot of that. Okay. If you want to add a text box, just go ahead and click on here. So add a, for example, a description or any messages that you want, just go ahead and type it right here. So for example, description. So just like that, put your description right there. And if you want to add an image, just go ahead and click on that. Click on upload. So this is just an example. So let me just go ahead and choose again my logo. Okay. So you can adjust it, the size of it, like that. Okay. Or let's just go ahead and search for any Dove products. Just like this. For example, this is the bundle or this one. Okay. So just go ahead and right click on it and click on save image as. And I will add it here. So on my header, click on upload, choose it. So the quality is not that great, but let's just go ahead and use that for the sake of this video. Okay. So I just changed the f- font color. That is because if I will stick to color white, it is not visible. Okay. Sorry. So that's it. You can also add a anchor image right here. Remove readability adjustments. The header type. So if you want title only, you can use that. For the banner type, it is like the before, larger banner and cover. Okay, so just go ahead and choose whatever you want. Or let's just go ahead and find a better quality. Okay, image. So bundle. So here, let me just go ahead and find a image that I want. So for example, this one. So let's just go ahead and save it. Okay, so this not great in in quality here. Okay, so save image. So I'm just going to show you, sorry, the basics. Okay, there. It is better, right? So now just go ahead and edit it however you want. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the publish button and put the web address right here. Then click on the publish button once you've click put the web address. Okay, so that is how you create landing page for CPA Grip. Okay, so I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.